Today we're going to continue to saw lumber on the mill. I'll go up here and take a look at the logs, see what we're going to get into. Okay, these are the white pine that are left. And as you've seen on the other videos, I'm cutting two types of board out of these. These bigger ones, I'm going to cut regular 1x boards. Use it for the ceiling in the workshop. And these smaller ones, I'm actually sawing one edge of it flat and then cutting it live edge. So one side will be live edge. I'm going to lap it for the walls, interior walls of the building. So I don't know if I have enough of this white pine to do everything I want to do, but we're going to saw some more of that up. I need another 200 or 300, I can't remember, I got it wrote down, 200 or 300 square foot for the ceilings. That would include a 10-foot porch that will be on the roof. And then total I need 600 and some square foot of coverage. Yeah, I'm going to lap them, so I need 600 and some square foot of coverage for the interior walls. Then down here will be the next thing I cut. These are spruce. And these long ones, the biggest ones and the longest ones, I need 4x8 by 12-foot long beams. They'll be the beams for the ceiling. It'll be an open cathedral type feeling with exposed beams. They'll go on the mill. Probably not today because I won't get all that pine cut up, but they'll be next to work on. So, back to the mill. Go over and get my tractor and we'll start cutting some more wood. I'll see you on the mill.